And welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm so excited about because it is finally a clothing haul with probably like my all-time favorite fashion brand and fashion website, Princess Polly. I've literally been shopping on their website for years now, and whenever I need anything, first place I'll head to is Princess Polly. So I'm so excited to do this video, and also super exciting, but Princess Polly has also given me a discount code. If anyone would like to shop any of the things that I show on the haul or anything, I will pop up my discount code on the screen, but it is SJ20 and it will get you 20% off the entire website. So yeah, anyway, I will link all of the pieces that I mention in the description bar, and if you would like to pick up any of them, make sure to use my discount code. So anyway, getting into what everyone's here for, I might as well start with what I've got on right now, and it is this stunning jumpsuit. I'm literally obsessed with jumpsuits right now. Also this like beige, like camel kind of color, I'm literally obsessed. I've got another item that's this color as well. I'm literally obsessed with it. I just think it's so like simple and elegant and like kind of like a classic and something that you can always just chuck on. I love the buttons, I love the fit of it. I think it's really flattering, and it's honestly so comfortable. It's got pockets, which is just like an automatic win, but it is also that time of the month for me at the moment, and I've literally worn it so much. It's so comfortable. It doesn't like pull anywhere. As you will be able to see from the try on, it's kind of crinkled and has a couple stains on it because one, I'm a grot, and two, I've literally been wearing it like almost every single day. When I was looking at this jumpsuit on the website, I was like, that is the perfect farmer's market outfit. Some simple white sneakers. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with it. I just picture this jumpsuit with like a little straw bag and like getting your fresh produce, and it's like so comfy. Oh my god. Next piece is this stunning like crop top. It's got these bell-bottom sleeves which come in at the bottom, which it's like literally, this is me. This is Sophie in a top, honestly. Like, it's a crop top. It's got a really flattering neckline, massive sleeves that like come in at the bottom. Perfect for like spring with some high-waisted shorts or a high-waisted denim skirt, or even like some denim jeans. I just think this is like the most flattering top ever. The lightest, nicest material, and yeah, as I said, literally me in a top. I think it's stunning, and as you can see by the crinkles, I've already worn it like so much. I'm literally obsessed. I'm so into like that linen kind of look at the moment, and that linen feel, and so this and this as well, I'm just so obsessed. Everything in this haul is stuff that are like classics and stuff that is so me. Okay, so the next thing I got was something that I needed to get a new pair of for so long, and it is just some plain black high-waisted jeans. Yes, they're crinkly again because yes, I have worn them again. You know when black jeans start to go like white and just kind of like really like gross around the knees and just like don't fit you well anymore? That's exactly what my previous pair of jeans were looking like. So it was very much needed to get a good quality pair of jeans, and these are so nice. They're also just like so comfy and just like a classic that I feel like everyone needs a pair of black jeans in their wardrobe. They fit so well around the waist and they're just so comfy. And yeah, as I said, mine were just looking like so worse for wear. I think I've had them for like 4 or 5 years now. Even these and this, it's just perfect. I love it. Okay, next, this is also crinkled. I feel like we just need to accept that everything is going to be crinkled because I have worn every single piece like multiple times. And if you saw my Bali videos, you would have seen me wear this like so often. It is honestly the cutest little place. We've got these gorgeous like spaghetti straps that are so flattering all around here. You also don't need to wear a bra with it, which I just love. It's got a really cute little bow at the back as well, and it's honestly so comfortable. And the same thing with this, if you are bloated, this completely hides it because it cinches in like just under the boob and then just like flows out. I love the color as well. I think it's so stunning. I think it's just like a really cute look, especially with some like white sneakers or something. I'm just obsessed. Okay, next is something that I got specifically for my birthday dinner that I had a couple weeks ago. That is again one of these jumpsuits. I've kind of just been loving jumpsuits lately. I was always too scared to wear them because I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I can pull them off, but I'm just kind of obsessed. They look quite elegant and classy, but they're they're just so comfortable, so I'm obsessed with them. And this one, as I said, I got for my birthday dinner, and it was just so comfy. I feel like because it's black and strapless, it's very like elegant and flattering and perfect for like a cute little date night or just like dressing up a little bit. It's got a bow at the back, which I love, and just like the paneling in it is so pretty. I don't need to wear a bra with it, and anything that I do not have to wear a bra with is a winner for me. So this is just stunning. I think this paired with like some black heeled boots or just some black heels is so pretty. And I always feel like when I go out for like nice dinners, I don't really have like anything that's kind of different and kind of just like classy, and I just think this is perfect. And I know that if I have any like fancy events or any dinners or anything, this is just absolutely perfect. Next is something I've literally been wearing every single day, and it is this massive teddy bear jacket. I've been wanting one of these for so long. Didn't know if like, yeah, I could like pull it off, but I honestly have been wearing it every single day. And because it is winter in Australia right now, it's just the coziest and comfiest thing ever. I think like chucking this over any outfit, it instantly like gives it some style, gives it like some edge. Even to my birthday dinner the other night, I wore this and this coat over the top with some heeled black boots, and it was warm, but I felt like it was kind of like dressed up and nice at the same time. I just think this honestly goes with like almost anything, and it's got like massive pockets, which again is a massive plus for me. And I honestly just think it's like the comfiest thing I've ever owned in my entire life. And last but not least, I got this black bag, which I have been wanting a black bag for so long. I feel like it's such a classic and I don't actually have one. And as soon as I saw this one, I knew that I loved it because my old shoulder bag was like brown and things always just got lost in it. But this is perfect because look at the compartments. I think it is just perfect. I usually put my phone and my keys in there, and I'll put like a lipstick or like any little things I'm taking. And then this one has my wallet. It also fits my little camera in it. It's got the gold detailing, which I also love because all my jewelry is gold and I just kind of like love gold detailing. And I honestly just think it goes like perfect with every single outfit. Like with the jacket, it can be dressed up if you're going out for dinner, but also like casual if you're just like going out for the day. I've never really been a massive like bag person. Like I'm not really into like fancy bags or anything, and I literally have been taking it like everywhere. I'm genuinely obsessed with it. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Princess Polly. I'm genuinely obsessed with everything. I kid you not when I say I have not worn anything else in my wardrobe for the past like 2 weeks since I got this package. I'm honestly that obsessed with everything. Again, I will link down all of the pieces that I mentioned if you did want to shop any of them, and also if you would like 20% off the entire website, make sure to use my discount code as well. Really hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, because even though I was getting heaps of requests to do like more clothing hauls and stuff, I know it is quite different to all of my other content. So I really hope you did enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!